Okay guys, this is my idea of an unboxing video. I ordered a giant pumpkin seed from Holland Giants. Now if you are a pumpkin guy or girl, you know that this is the winner of the 2017 Giant Pumpkin, World Giant Pumpkin. This guy. All of his giant pumpkin seeds sold out quickly because he was the world record for 2017. Went to his site to order pumpkins, couldn't get some. I ordered pumpkin seeds from him last year. Absolute fail on my part, not his seeds. This year I am trying again. I only ordered one seed this time. So this is what's in his Holland Giants, right there, Holland Giants packet if you were to order giant pumpkins from him, pumpkin seeds from him. Okay, it'll come in a foamy bubble wrap package just like this. It will come with the instructions on how to grow a giant pumpkin, growing instructions, everything from soil preparation, starting seeds, transplanting, fruit set, pruning, stem stress, shading, pests and disease. Initial preparations, and just some good ground pumpkin growing. So anyways, this is the guy that won the 2017 giant pumpkin, but this is not seeds from his giant pumpkin. I'll make that clear. This is some others that he had to purchase. If I were to go for the giant pumpkin seeds, those range from $500 to $1,000, I guess. I mean, the seeds for a single seed. I mean, they're $500 for a single seed for a giant pumpkin from the world record winner. These are not. These are a seed from a 1,400-pound pumpkin grown in 2017. Okay. Now, if you go on the internet, you can look up the family tree of this seed. So it's going to tell you it came from these parents, and I believe it's the mother and then the father. So if you're not familiar with pumpkins, they have a male and female flower. So they'll tell you who his parents are, and then this is what the size of the prodigy was. Okay. So inside of this little package is a single pumpkin seed. I'll pop it open. We'll see what it looks like. See what I got this year. What did I get this year? It's good size. I mean, that's good size. It's an inch long, half-inch wide. They're not little seeds. So this one, I think I might have got a little gypped because it's not fat. So if the seed mature properly, this should be pretty thick, and you'll feel that meaty seed in there. And I don't feel it. It feels a little. There's a seed in there. Let's hope it's viable. Find out. Yeah, you guys can follow along with me. See what see if it's viable. I'll be really upset and disappointed if it is not. Okay. Also, he throws in the receipt. I'm going to hide it because I'm not showing my address. And that little seed is $20. $20 and a thank you. There we go. There's my giant pumpkin seed. Now, last year, I bought 2 seeds from these guys. The seeds were great. They were big, fat, thick seeds. And again, they were that little kind of squishy little seed like this. They're big, fat, healthy seeds. I got good-sized pumpkins. They were not anywhere near 1,000 pounders. That was a total fail on my part. 200 pounds maybe. Real disappointing. But again, it was my first time trying to grow a giant pumpkin. Hopefully I'll do better this year. You won't see this until April. I'll try to germinate this in April, so that my pumpkin matures. I have a real short growing season here. I have very cool nights. I'm at 4,000 plus feet, almost 5,000 feet elevation. So it's difficult to grow giant pumpkins here. If you live somewhere warmer, longer nights, or not longer nights, warmer nights, you can do better. I have very cool evenings and a very short growing season to try to do a giant pumpkin in. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to try. So we'll see. We'll see how big I get this year. Anyways, that won't be until April. So if you're watching this, you're probably going, dude, what is this guy into? Is it mountain bikes? Is it backpacking? Is it gardening? Is it giant pumpkins? Guess what? It's none of the above and all of the above. I am an absolute adult with ADD. Okay? I mean, this is my desk. Okay? This is my desk. It is chaos. My books are everything from gardening to stonework. So if you're following this channel, expect a little of everything and nothing. So anyways, until next time, pumpkins, April, look for those videos to start in April. See you out there.